have now.
Yeah, well, last hour we told you over an hour ago that the two sides were near a transaction that would return Disney's networks to Charter video subscribers. We cannot tell you that a deal has been reached. Don't have a press release as yet, but my understanding, based on a number of conversations, is that, in fact, they have reached that deal that, again, over an hour ago we told you was near. All the stocks in question rising on our initial report. What we do, or at least can sort of ascertain, based again on people familiar with the situation, is that Disney will get essentially a marketplace increase. That had been what it was seeking from Charter. But Charter had also said, hey, we want our subscribers to also get access to Disney Plus and ESPN Plus at a reduced rate, or actually as part of the package. They didn't get that. But my understanding is it will include the ability for Charter subscribers to get Disney Plus at a reduced price, a discount, a wholesale price, whatever you may want to call it. Is it a win-win? Perhaps. It restores, of course, Disney channels, including ESPN, to Charter video subscribers ahead of tonight's big Monday Night Football game. You know, Aaron Rodgers was not a part of the deal-making here, but he certainly seemed to loom large. We had pointed out many times what distinguished this particular fight was the fact that Charter seemed very much willing to allow it to go on without, and its subscribers to go on without access to Disney's channels. Obviously, ESPN, ABC, FX, Nat Geo, and on from there. Because the video business doesn't make a lot of money, and it felt like there was a diminution of overall quality that it was paying more and more for linear cable content. And therefore, it was entitled, the subscribers were entitled to actually get the direct-to-consumer offerings that it felt it was helping to subsidize with those increased sub fees. So an important moment here, Sarah, in terms of these two sides reaching an agreement. When we do see the press release, we'll get specifics on the actual deal terms, perhaps. My guess is they will both pose it as a win on both sides, and the market's treating it that way right now.
The stocks are off the initial highs when you first reported the rumor. I mean, we've been
not the rumors that the deal was near.
The deal was near.
Yeah, we don't report rumors.
We don't report rumors. You especially.
Thank you.
It was never a typical, and Charter said this, carriage fee disagreement, and so you're saying the deal reflects that too, with the addition of Disney Plus.
Correct. The inclusion of Disney Plus at some sort of reduced offering rate or discount would be a significant moment here for sort of the relationship between the providers of content and the distributors of content. That said, many people may have already, those sports fans out there with Charter service, with Spectrum service, may already have gone and taken a look at a virtual MVPD. Whether it be YouTube TV, the largest out there, or Hulu, itself owned by Disney, 66% Hulu Live, or even Fubo, which had been benefiting from an influx of potential subscribers. Spectrum actually had said to its subscribers, hey, here's a link to Fubo if you can't, if you need to watch the game tonight.
Yeah, the one that's selling off today. Everybody else is up. The group is up, communication services. David, thank you.